So now with the CPU, I have an AMD FX 8320. I was going to go to 8350, but from everything I've heard and read, they're the same chip. Ones that clock better after processing get branded as 8350s. The lesser ones get done as 8320s. So these can get clocked too, if not better than the 8350s themselves. Now on the side of the box, just have a bit of jarble about stuff. 8 cores, 3.5 gigahertz out of the box, achieve up to 5 gigahertz on 8 cores. So maybe one day I'll give it a go and see if I can blow something up. So the package open, we find our CPU and a case badge, which is always nice. I doubt I'll put case badges on anything. I might do a collage, I guess you could call it, later on. So looks like a processor. I guess all processors look the same. And some may say 8 cores is a little ridiculous. And now there's Japanese people playing with 36 cores, so we'll see where we go in the future with that. Nice little instruction manual, I guess. And then the stock cooler, which I won't be using. But still, for a stock cooler, it is quite nice. Already has thermal paste applied. See your copper heat pipes. Nice. Yeah, I guess they're alright. Thin density. And yeah. So if you're looking at an FX 8320, this is the kind of CPU cooler you can expect to receive with it.